Yo, what's good, guys? We got the Avenir all-wheel drive 2019, man. 19. Yeah, we're gonna do the oil change in this vehicle. I just wanna say, to open the hood, just pull this lever, and voila, we got a V6 VVT 2019 with a 3.6 liter engine. Yeah, this is the cap of the oil. If I'm not mistaken, it takes a 5W30 Avenir. Avenir is a French word, and in English means to come up, or future. Okay, so we're gonna drain the oil. We go to the bottom, and we're gonna lose this oil drain plug. So we lose it with a 15mm socket. Yeah. While I'm losing this bolt, this oil drain plug, I just want to say thank you for watching. Thank you for taking the time to watch my videos. I appreciate it. And thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for hitting the like button. Thank you for comment. And if you haven't done it, well, what are you waiting for? Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, any feedback, any problems, any concerns about this car, just put it in the comment box below. Alright, now this oil looks clean, right? Looking like a tea, hot tea or whatever. And it takes this engine takes synthetic oil, 5W30, which is like every 5,000 miles you have to change the oil. Okay, once we drain the oil, we go to the oil filter, and just be careful if the engine is hot. Yeah, so lose the engine the oil filter, lose it. Some oil is gonna come out. Wait until it stops dripping, most of it, and then remove the oil filter. You don't want the hot oil splashing your face. You know what I'm saying? .6 liter engine. Now we put the oil drain plug back by hand. I see people using a gun, electric gun. I'm like, what? No way. That's not right. Okay. Put the oil drain plug by hand. Then tie it with the 15mm socket. Snug it. We pass to the oil filter and do like I told you. You don't want to get hot oil in your face. Let me get some light here so you can see better. Now I use this tool to remove the oil filter, but it's only to remove the oil filter. Okay, you cannot tie the oil filter with this tool because it's designed to lose the oil filter only. To lose it only. Okay. Now there it is, the oil. Wait until it stops dripping. You know, in the meanwhile, you can put some air in the tires, you know, check the brakes and all that. Once it stops leaking, you know, remove the oil filter. Clean where the oil filter sits. Wipe it with a rag. Then we get to get the oil filter, the brand new one, the one made by Motorcraft, which is the Ford brand. We get the new oil filter. We lubricate the gasket. Put the filter. Tight it by hand. Please, you don't need no tools to tie it, okay? To tie the filter, the oil filter. You don't want to get it too tight either, because the next technician or in the next oil change is going to be too hard to remove. So, you know, just do it by hand, alright? FL500S Motorcraft, like I said, made by Ford. Now after this, we're gonna reset the maintenance light. Okay, and it's easy. Tied it by hand, like I told you. I'm saying. Now bring the car down and let's put some oil in the engine. Now this engine takes 6 quarts, okay, of synthetic 5W30. 5W30. Pour the 6 quarts in the engine. Put the engine cap back, the oil cap. Put the dipstick back. I mean, if you don't believe me, just, you know, I'm gonna show you that I got it right. As you can see, it's wet till the last hole. Put the dipstick back. Make sure everything is tight and close. Now we close the hood. We go to the driver's side. We turn the key to the on position. And we look for the oil life setting. You just press the arrow to look for the oil life setting. Press the button, the check button. Hold it, and it's gonna reset it to the 100%. And that's it. And before I go, I just want to say thank you for watching. Subscribe, hit the like button. If you have any questions, just put it in the comment box. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye.